Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Dear Rahman. Today I will show you a video about html5 tutorial. It's about non-breaking space. Non-breaking space means it has no breaking on the text, on the paragraphs. HTML5 in HTML5, if you write your paragraphs with more spaces, then you run it, but it will not appear more spaces. It will appear only one space. But if you use non-breaking space, then you can create spaces. So watch this. Here I have written this course with paragraph, and I have given here more spaces, here more spaces, 2 or 3 spaces, and if I run it as .html file, and you have to save it, this text document, save as .html file, and location is desktop. You can save it anywhere in your PC, and I save it in desktop and run it by your browser, and you are watching that this paragraph has no more spaces, only one space. For getting rid of this problem, you have to use non-breaking space. For using non-breaking space, you have to put this non-breaking space between two words of paragraph, and write here non-breaking space. I have copied it, and I am doing paste. Now you save it as .html file to watch. Now come here to watch this video. What is the result of this non-breaking space? Now see it here. There are more spaces, or 2-3 spaces between two words. The look here, here more spaces, 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 by non-breaking space. So for getting these spaces, you have to use this non-breaking space. You have to use these non-breaking spaces to make spaces. I hope you have learned to watch this video, and I hope you can avail this theory of HTML5 in future to make HTML5 code. Again, I request you all subscribe to my channel MD Rahman to get more updates. Thank you very much for watching this video.